Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix or how to properly restore files from your trash in your Google Files Go app on your Android device. So for example, I am going to show you. So just open the trash on your Files Go app as you can see. So I have one image file as you can see in my trash, so just I want to restore it. So to restore the file, just first you need to select that file. After selecting, here you can get the option restore, just tap on it, and once again you need to tap on restore file as you can see. So now it will 100% restore the file on your phone as you can see. So some of user don't know how to restore properly files from your trash folder. So this is the proper method to restore the file. In case still your file was not restoring, so you can follow another fixes to fix this problem. So now what you need to do, you need to update the Files Go application on your phone. So open the Google Play Store and here you need to search Files Go application and update the app. So after updating, open the app and try to restore your files. It will 100% restore your files from the trash folder. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, you can follow another method. Go to your phone settings, open apps and notifications. From here you need to find out files by Google, open that app, go to storage, clear the caches. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.